what stands out to you the most when watching the Attorney General, the top prosecutor in the state, being questioned?
Two systems of justice in the United States of America, and this is a prime example of it. I mean, not only is this a white man, he's a person in power, Attorney General, but he is giving false statements to these police officers when he says he thinks it's a deer. This man's head went through the windshield such that the glasses ended up on his front passenger seat. There is no way, if he had been paying attention, that he could not realize that this was a man. And then we look at, how did the man get into the ditch when he went through the windshield? That must have meant that he was kind of pushed over into the ditch, and he was hoping that by not having the sheriff not see the man that evening, he wouldn't be tested for alcohol or anything else that would impair him. We know he was on his cell phone. We know he was driving in the shoulder. We know that's reckless driving. We know it resulted in the death of a man. $1,000, no jail time. The family is properly outraged. This is an abomination of justice, in my opinion.
Yeah, if you think you switch the tables, he is the top prosecutor in the state. If you look back, I'm sure you'll find somebody in the state of North Dakota or South Dakota who is doing some jail time for the exact same set of circumstances. You could pull the alcohol out because he was tested for alcohol 18 hours later. Obviously, there was nothing there in the system. Even if he wasn't under the influence, it's reckless driving. He's on the shoulder. They were able to prove that. And yeah, this was the charge. To your point, this is an issue, is it not? This sort of two-system we've been working with for centuries.
It really is, and it just undermines everyone's confidence in the judicial system to see someone get off like this. I mean, he didn't even appear in court, such that, at the very least, if this man was sincere, apologize to the family. I mean, come there, be a man, be a person. You've taken this family's loved one, and come to court and acknowledge that what you did, maintain it was an accident, but apologize for your actions. He doesn't have to do any of that. He just gets a fine and has his attorney show up in court. It's a sad day for justice when someone can, literally get away here with what appears to be manslaughter.
Yeah, and again, the Attorney General is still the Attorney General in the state of South Dakota. There have been calls for him to resign. He has refused to do so. Of course, there'll be another election at some point, and we'll see what happens there.